Well, of course, this big set's big enough to fill the screen, isn't it? So the Rotel RVC240 in its box. Final one of the 3 Rotels sent in by the same customer, which included that brand new one, which he's actually going to put into everyday use. So we'll move away from the Nottingham dodgy breakers and go to Mega Chippie channel. And I'll tell you what we'll do. I'll just put the microphone on it, which it's factory one. I'll put my walkie-talkie on ready just to make sure I can hear that it's working. We've already done the PA demonstration on the servicing video, and out of the 3 sets, the performance of the Rotel 230 was in fact the best. But this will be slightly better for bleed over with its extra receive circuit. Take a 21 test.
Roger, working.
Yeah, I just wanted to listen to myself on the talkie-walkie because I've not used the factory mic before. Right, off we go.
Roger that. Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. We'll plug in the extension speakers we have been doing recently.
Right, we're now passing Lancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Lancaster service station. Is it a prize today?
No, it's closed.
The lazy lot.
Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
And we'll now go back to normal speaker.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a 1981 Rotel RVC240, which uses the Cybernet 134 chassis, and it's doing a full 4 watts over.
Roger that.
Well, that sounds fine.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger.
And that's the 3 mile point. And for those of people who haven't seen these kind of tests we do, these are comparison tests, same places, calls in on a different radio each time we test it, and we just know how it sounds normally. So you get to know which ones are better and which sets are worse.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. And that's the 4 mile point.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger.
And that's our worst one. That's the 5 mile point. It's surrounded by trees. It just doesn't work as well as any of the others. Remember, all this is done the wrong side of a hill, deliberately.
Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going over Rawsby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby Level Crossing. Is that petrol station open?
It is price same as yesterday, 161.7, 189.9.
Excellent, that concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that, 1010.
10-10. Right, that worked absolutely great. So did the 230, so did the 220. The performance of the 230 out of the test sets was the best of the 3. This has an extra receive stage, and it may be that little bit better for people who worry about bleed over. But if you live where I do, in the middle of nowhere, anything works great. So we'll go to our base station. We'll start off with the Rotel original mic, and then we'll go over to my standard replacement ones just for comparison purposes.
Tango 21 testing the Rotel RVC240 into our Harrier CBHQ base station, which of course uses the same chassis. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we'll go to the standard replacement microphone rather than the factory microphone, which I'm on now. Tango 21 testing the Rotel 240 with the standard replacement microphone. So as ever, thanks for watching, and that concludes the set.